We have an exciting topic to explore: the best anti-aging foods to help you look your best as the years go by. Beautiful, glowing skin starts with how we eat, but anti-aging foods can also help with more than that. We all want to age gracefully, and diet plays a crucial role in achieving that goal. Here are 10 of the best anti-aging foods that can promote youthful skin, vitality, and overall health. Number 1. Berries. We have antioxidant-rich berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. These little powerhouses combat free radicals and support radiant skin. Number 2. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are a superb source of vitamin C and other antioxidants that promote skin health and combat aging. Number 3. Papaya. This delicious superfood is rich in a variety of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that may help to improve skin elasticity and minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Number 4. Broccoli. Broccoli is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help detoxify your skin and keep it looking fresh. Number 5. Spinach. Spinach is a green leafy powerhouse that's rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to support overall skin health. Number 6. Nuts. Nuts, including almonds and walnuts, are rich in healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. They contribute to skin elasticity and provide protein for muscle health. Number 7. Avocado. Avocado, the creamy wonder, is packed with monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants that hydrate your skin and slow down aging. Number 8. Pomegranate. Pomegranate, with its high antioxidant content, boosts collagen production, improves skin texture, and fights signs of aging. Number 9. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, which converts into vitamin A in your body and aids in maintaining youthful skin. Number 10. Green tea. Green tea is bursting with catechins, which have anti-aging properties. They protect your skin from UV damage and reduce the risk of wrinkles. There you have it, best anti-aging foods to help you maintain a youthful appearance and vibrant health. Remember, incorporating these foods into a balanced diet is a step towards aging gracefully. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to SF Healthcare, and share it with your friends who want to embrace the benefits of these anti-aging foods.